Welcome to SAP Cloud for Customer. In this video, we'll walk through the steps of setting up a system. Let's discuss each step in the process, then we'll look at it in the system. After you buy the SAP solution, you'll receive a welcome email with a link to access the system with an initial user. Click this link to access the system, then create a service agent with all the necessary administrative authorizations. Despite the name, the service agent has nothing to do with classical service functions, such as call centers or maintenance work. It is simply a user outside the company that is authorized to perform administrative setup tasks. Log off, and then log back on as the service agent that you just created. To prevent unauthorized access to your system, lock the initial user, the one that you accessed from the welcome email. Use the service agent to set up your system, make necessary settings, create business users and roles, and configure your solution to fit your company's needs. Now that you are familiar with the process, let's see what it looks like in the system. First, click the link from the welcome email to log on to your system with the initial user. Use the initial user to create a service agent. Remember that the service agent is only for administrative setup tasks. Since you know that Paul Moore will be setting up your system, you create a service agent with his name. Let's edit the settings for our service agent, including the login user ID and a temporary password. Give the service agent access rights for the appropriate administrator role. You can find a list of recommended business roles and work center assignments in the Administrator Guide on the SAP Help portal. Log off from the initial user and log on as the service agent to continue. After you've logged on with your service agent user, to prevent unauthorized access to your system, you should lock the initial user. Return to the Administrator Work Center, which is your dashboard for most admin tasks. Continue to use the Service Agent user to make any necessary settings for your company, such as configuring your solution, creating business users, organizational units, employees, or roles, and making the appropriate assignments. Thanks for joining us on a walkthrough of setting up SAP Cloud for Customer. You've seen the process of creating an administrative service agent, from the welcome email through to locking the initial user and continuing with the administrative setup. For more detailed instructional videos, visit our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.